Hey tubers, here we are. We're all packed up, ready to go. And within 2 days, the packers came and then the movers came and loaded up our old house and get ready to move to Florida. So we're doing one last final tour of our house. Empty house.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe this is really happening, baby.
So come on, let's go.
I don't want to cry.
So the one last time we'll see our front yard here, all the flowers we planted. Last time we'll walk through this gate here.
I know.
Entrez-vous, s'il vous plaît.
Manu?
You ready to go to Florida? Who are you gonna see?
Puru.
Et tes cousins? Oui?
Oui.
Oui? Ok. Allons à l'intérieur.
We have to see. We have to go to Florida.
Oh, où est-ce qu'on part, Manu? Regarde ici. Où
What'd
est-ce
you
qu'on
say?
part?
What'd you say, Manu?
Uh,
We have to go where?
to see Puru.
And where we
Where?
have to go?
Uh,
Florida?
yeah.
Alrighty, come on up. Let's go take a tour inside the house and see what's all not there.
It's completely empty, guys, by the way.
What'd you say, Manu?
It's just an empty house.
Yes, it's an empty house. This is it, guys. And once you open the door, it's empty. It's empty.
It's empty. An empty house.
Empty house. So basically, guys, the TV used to be here, and our
This
couch.
used to be our couches. Mama, let's sit. You lay on the couch.
Our hanging out room here.
This used to be the dining room where we used to eat. Right, Manu? Now it's empty.
Yep, I actually really love the floor.
Empty.
I've been missing it a lot.
Brazilian cherry. I'm just kidding. This is where all the magic happened. The kitchen. Oh, no, first the fireplace. We
Fireplace.
sat here and made many s'mores and warmed by the fire and eating.
The first
dinner.
time that I had a s'more.
Yeah, first time we had a s'more was here. Over
That's
here
gonna make me cry.
was the kitchen area. That's where we did all of our wonderful cooking and sumptuous feasts and hosted parties. And now it is barren, nothing there. And here is where our breakfast nook was. And we had plants in the window. We've had fish in the window. We've had all of Loca's documents there. And this thing people would always hit their head on, boink. So we had to raise it up. So hopefully the next
Daddy,
people won't do that.
Our water.
The fridge is staying because although we love this fridge, to get it into this house, we had to take all the handles off to fit it in only through the front door. And we had to take the frame off and it just barely fit in the front door. And then the handle didn't go back on, so we had to use epoxy and glue it back on. So this fridge won't leave this house unless you take all the doors off.
On water.
No water? Okay.
Yeah.
So guys, the dishwasher will be staying here. And this is my beautiful kitchen. I used to cook here every single day.
No, stop.
I have to cook.
Stop.
I can't believe this is really
Every day
happening.
you were in the kitchen. You
Dad.
wanted breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Manu wanted oatmeal.
You're right.
Empty ice. Ice.
And this is the fridge is completely empty.
It's empty.
This was the study. This was where all the brain work. This is where all the intellectual power happened. Just kidding. That was the office couch, and this was Loca's
Treadmill.
treadmill area.
I don't know if you guys can remember, I have the treadmill right here.
See the treadmill YouTube video.
As was this office.
It's all empty.
So
All right,
now
let's
we'll
go.
be taking you guys up.
Let's go on up.
Daddy, you get this.
job. All right. What do we have here?
This is Bhagavan's room. And it is Baron. There's an echo. You can even hear an echo. Small.
Yeah.
This is where Bhagavan's entertainment system was. Bhagavan had a little desk right here, doing his homework, playing video games. Beep, 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 beep. Bhagavan's dresser here, and Bhagavan's walk-in closet.
What are we gonna do with the bed?
We'll donate it.
Man, this way. And this is where we take our little bath, the pauper bath.
Master bedroom.
The master bedroom. It's basically the same size as Bhagavan's room.
I think ours is a little bit bigger.
A little bigger. You think?
No, it's exactly the same.
And we have a closet here as well.
And Manu liked to hide in this closet. Come on, Manu, let's go. Au revoir.
Au revoir, Manu. Où est-ce qu'il est, Manu? Où est-ce qu'il est? Où est-ce qu'il est? Oh, je vois Manu.
Yes,
Je vois
hi.
Manu. Alright, this is the house. This is our room here. You believe it? This is it, baby.
It's crazy to see your house that you've lived in for 5 years and made a home, then empty and devoid of all of your stuff.
Don't make me cry.
Hey, how's
And this is where we stepped out in the morning
Stop on the morning.
and smelled that fresh mountain air.
That fresh
Just kidding.
air.
Sometimes we just can't do it here, so it wasn't always fresh. But this is our backyard where we kind of planted all of our little plants to make it kind of look nice and homey.
Yeah.
I don't always have the greenest thumb, but I tried to plant some plants, and I tried to do a weed and feed to make the grass look better, and I killed all this other grass, and so that's why we have all these patches here to patch things
You
up.
are so
Baby.
bad.
Me.
This is the back of the house.
Manu, walk on there. Manu,
Whoa.
let's balance. Come on.
Whoa. Good job, Manu. Good job. Whoa. That's pretty cool. Yep. So basically,
The tree Bhagavan used to climb and made forts up in here and would collect sticks, and there was a big branch here that we got cut off.
yeah, back when we used to collect steak, I remember that.
Yeah.
When he was younger,
You'd find all these sticks laying all around all the
on
time.
his bed. This is the house. I really liked it that every morning the birds comes and decided to sing, I guess. It's just really nice to just like hear that. Can't believe this is it, baby. Alright, house tours over.
We'll see you again when we get to Florida. Stay tuned.
Bye.